Today for the Ramadan series, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make beef shawarma, and I'll also give you an idea on how to plate it, so here's how I made it. To begin, I've already thinly sliced my beef. I believe I'm using beef sirloin tip in this video, but you want to make sure it's thinly sliced so it cooks evenly in the oven. I believe I have about 7 pounds here, but we're going to get started on our marinade, so go ahead and add your spices, your vinegar, and your oil. Make sure your meat is completely submerged, cover it, and let it marinate in the fridge overnight. Now, when it comes to cooking your shawarma, there's a few methods. You can use the skewer method. You can also buy a shawarma stand on Amazon, I believe, for like $20. But here I am layering my beef. You can also add layers of fat in between to add more flavor. And I'm adding an onion on top and baking it at 550 for about an hour to an hour and a half in the oven. I took the top rack out to make more room. And if you don't want to do the skewer method, you can just cut your beef into thin strips like I showed in the previous clip, and you can just cook it in a skillet like normal. But after your shawarma is done cooking, it should be extremely flavorful and extremely tender, and here's an idea on how to plate it. These plates are actually from my parents' restaurant over a decade ago, and here I am putting them to good use for you guys, and you're done.